Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaaya. Letters of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, onward. I only tell you this, that whoever reads this letter will imbibe my spirit. Have faith, onward. Swami Vivekananda. Letter number 182. London, 10th August 1899. My dear Rakhal, I got a lot of news from your letter. My health was much better on the ship, but after landing, owing to flatulence, it is rather bad now. There is a lot of difficulty here. All friends have gone out of town for the summer. In addition, my health is not so good, and there is a lot of inconvenience regarding food, etc. So in a few days I leave for America. Send an account to Mrs. Bull as to how much was spent on purchase of land, how much on buildings, how much on maintenance, etc. Sarada writes that the magazine Bengali Udbodhan is not going well. Let him publish the account of my travels and thoroughly advertise it beforehand. He will have subscribers rushing in. Do people like a magazine if 3/4 of it are filled with pious stuff? Anyway, pay special attention to the magazine. Mentally take it as though I were not. Act independently on this basis. We depend on the elder brother for money, learning, everything. Such an attitude is the road to ruin. If all the money, even for the magazine, is to be collected by me and all the articles too are from my pen, what will you all do? What are our sahibs then doing? I have finished my part. You do what remains to be done. Nobody is there to collect a single penny. Nobody to do any preaching. None has brains enough to take proper care of his own affairs. None has the capacity to write one line, and all are saints for nothing. If this be your condition, then for 6 months give everything to the hands of the boys. If this be your condition, then for 6 months give everything into the hands of the boys, magazine, money, preaching work, etc. If they are also not able to do anything, then sell off everything, and returning the proceeds to the donors, go about as mendicants. I get no news at all from the mutt. What is Sharad doing? I want to see work done. Before dying, I want to see that what I have established as a result of my lifelong struggle is put in a more or less running condition. Consult the committee in every detail regarding money matters. Get the signatures of the committee for every item of expenditure. Otherwise, you also will be in for a bad name. This much is customary, that people want some time or other account of their donations. It is very wrong not to have it ready at every turn. By such lethargy in the beginning, people finally become cheats. Make a committee of all those who are in the mutt, and no expenditure will be made which is not countersigned by them, none at all. I want work, I want vigor, no matter who lives or dies. What are death and life to a sannyasin? If Sharat cannot rouse up Calcutta, if you are not able to construct the embankment this year, then you will see the fun. I want work, no humbug about it. My respectful salutations to the Holy Mother. Yours affectionately, Vivekananda. Letter number 183, Ridgely, 2nd September 1899. Dear, Life is a series of fights and disillusionments. The secret of life is not enjoyment, but education through experience. But alas, we are called off the moment we begin really to learn. That seems to be a potent argument for a future existence. Everywhere it is better to have a whirlwind come over the work that clears the atmosphere and gives us a true insight into the nature of things. It is begun anew, but on adamant foundations. Yours with best wishes, Vivekananda. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ram Krishna Arpanamastu.